How to unlock bots in chess.com. Hey guys, let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up Chess application, and if you haven't downloaded the application yet, you can head to your Google Play Store or App Store and download it from there. So if you have the application, open up the application and log into your account using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to Chess dashboard and it looks like this. Now you should be able to see this tab right here, the Try Premium tab. Click on it. Now in this page, you'll be offered three kinds of premium, the gold one, the platinum, and finally the diamond one. So if you want to take a subscription, you can choose whichever you like, or you could also get 1 week of free trial, so you can try that. Another method is come back to your home page and click on the play button. Now select the versus computer one. Now in this page, you'll be able to find a lot of bots or characters from which only few of them are available at the moment, and the rest of them are locked. Now in order to unlock the other remaining bots, you need to choose the one that is unlocked and play with it. Your opponent will obviously be computer, as we selected the computer, and if you defeat the computer or your opponent, then another bot will be unlocked. So if you keep defeating your opponent, then every one bot will be unlocked one by one. So good luck with the match. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.